What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So at last our family trip has started, and we started the plan on the 16th. So 15th evening itself we started from Chennai. The first point was Kalasa, which we decided, but it was indeed 700 odd kilometers, so having children in the car, it was really difficult for us to travel such a long distance. So we decided that we'll put a halt in Bangalore for a night, and then the next day morning, that is yesterday morning, we started from Bangalore and we reached Kalasa at last. We are at the Nagagiri resorts, or you can call it Nagagiri Comforts. So Nagagiri Comforts is actually owned by a person named Adish. He's a very close friend of mine, and we eventually met on 2020 during this Karnataka Odyssey, which we did for a rally ride for the childhood cancer, and later Adish became a very close friend of mine, and I started regularly visiting him here. So thank you Adish for having such a beautiful property. It's indeed a great memorable journey for us, starting our trip with Kalasa being the first place. So thank you so much, and I'll quickly show you the property. So once you enter, the gates are going to get changed. Once the bridge comes in, the entry will be that side. Hopefully by the time you come, the bridges will be ready. So this is the car parking area, very ample space available. Apart from this, yes, we have this main office reception here. So once you enter, you have the dining area is also available here, and then once you take a right, this is the restaurant and this will be the reception. So if you get into the reception, I'm so happy for the fact that this is my club sticker. This is our club sticker, DomesCut, and this was our Explore Karnataka, and this was for the Can Kids. It's been around 3 years now, still the sticker is there. So happy. And then we have ample space for people to sit here. We have around 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 people can sit and eat. So I'll quickly show you the menu card on what is there, what will be the costing for it. But whenever you come to this property, please do refer my name, or you can say that Bharat from DomesCut from Chennai, and you will get a special discount on the stay. But during the peak seasons, obviously the price will be really high, so plan something like non-peak season, so that it will be very helpful for you to come and enjoy the property completely. Thank goodness we had planned for the next week, that is on the 23rd, but we have pre-poned it and we came 1 week earlier, so we got the non-peak season package. So this is the menu, guys. I'm going to quickly show. I'm not sure if you're able to see, but we have, it's a pure vegetarian restaurant what they have. The prices seems to be very nominal, not very expensive. It seems to be nominal. We have coffee, tea, badam milk, lemon tea, milk. Then breakfast, idli, vada, puri, plain dosa, masala dosa, set dosa, onion dosa, lemon rice is there. For curry, tomato curry, dal, paneer butter masala, mushroom masala, capsicum masala, baby corn masala. Starters, we have aloo bhaji, onion bhaji, capsicum, french fries, mushroom pepper dry, paneer pepper dry. And rice and fulka, we have fried rice, jeera rice, tomato, ghee rice, curd rice and fulka. So it's available from 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. That's the timeline. भैया अभी किसी को नॉनवेज चाहिए तो आप मंगा कर दे सकते हैं बाहर से, नहीं तो मंगा कर यहाँ पर कुक करेंगे या होटल से मंगा कर. ठीक है, फाइन, कूल. So he is a manager of the property. भैया आपका नाम? Bhairav Gowda. So he is the man of this particular property. Any doubts you have, anything you want, he is there 24/7, right? 24/7 आप यहाँ पर रहते हैं ना? Fantastic. So he will arrange everything. And specific request, anything comes up, just reach out to him and let him know if it's possible to fulfill or not. So people will come referring my name. मेरे नाम रेफर करके आएंगे. आपका नाम पता नहीं क्या? ज़रूर. सो देख लीजिए सबको, ठीक है. So we have the jeep which has come in now. This jeep is going to take my colleagues, again to Kathanmaki because they want to see the sunset. So we'll quickly have a word with him. I don't know whether he can understand Hindi, but let's try to talk to him in Hindi and see if he can understand. भैया नमस्ते, हिंदी मालूम है? ओके, मेरा नाम भरत अय्यप्पन. गणेश सर है ना? गणेश, उसका बहुत जिगरी दोस्त है. तो आप अभी हमारा टीम को लेके जा रहे हैं ना कैथनमकी को. सो कितना चार्ज कर रहे हैं आप? 2300 रुपीज़ चार्ज कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, और कितना वक्त के लिए जा सकते हैं? लाइक ऊपर कितना वक्त? 1 आवर, 1.5 आवर्स. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. आपका नंबर कुछ है? नंबर है. ठीक है, उसके पास है ना? मैं ले लूँगा, मेरे चैनल में डाल दूँगा, लोग आपको कॉल करेंगे. आपका नाम? केशव. केशव, थैंक यू केशव. This is my colleague from the apartment. He is going to go to Kathanmaki now. So they'll be going, it will take around 45 minutes to go to the hill and then spend some time, maybe 30 minutes there and come back. That's the plan. So they're leaving now to Kathanmaki. Bye, 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 bye. And then we have the campfire zone is here. So pretty fun. Like it's not available right now, but because I know Adesh, I requested him and we had put a campfire. But this is restricted right now in Kalasa, specifically the property, because the construction is going. The government has put a norms that no fireworks. So this is where they generally put the campfire, and then they'll provide tables, chairs, everything available here to just chillax. I've been seeing Sony Friends 2020, when I was here for the first time. Sony. She's actually carrying some babies, expecting to. Yeah, we are expecting her to deliver soon. So that's Sony's space. She'll be sleeping here. We have a lot of rooms available. So here we have 4 rooms in this particular building, and then we have another 4 rooms in this building, another 4. So in total 12 rooms available. The only thing is when you are entering Kalasa, please make sure when you get down into the when you try somewhere between 4 to 5 kilometers from reaching the property, make sure you download the Google Map offline. If not, you're going to have no connections here, no mobile connections. Just randomly the signal keeps coming. Both Airtel and as well Jio. I think BSNL does work well, but the other networks are pretty bad here. So do download the offline maps, guys. And what else? We generally stay in this building whenever we come with my group last 2 times, but this time we have got this side. Pretty good rooms. I'll quickly show you around on the rooms how it looks, but please don't mind, it may look a bit messy because we have just scattered all our things there in the room. So I'll quickly show you once my baby wakes up. I'll show you the room how it looks, because my room is pretty messy now, and so I thought better I'll show you a room which is empty, so that you will get a picture on how the room looks. So these people sanitize everything literally, guys, starting from the bed sheets, or let's say pillow mattress, everything they clean it completely before the next guest comes in. So this is one of the rooms which is available. भैया वो लास्ट वाला भी एक रूम है क्या? वो उसमें एक रूम है या कितना रूम है उसमें? एक रूम. So there's a change in numbers, guys. There will be 13 rooms in the property overall. So this is the kind of room what we get. It's very fragrant, actually, very clean and neat. So you can see you have 4 beds here. Similarly, you have different types of rooms. Like the beds will be put in different angles. So we have 2 windows and we have the plug point there. So if you're having a lot of gadgets, do bring a extension cord. We have a table, chair, and then we have a cupboard available, and then we have this mirror, a long one. We have the television as well as the dish connection. So we have windows also here. So there's a view. If you want, you can just open and enjoy the beauty outside. And then coming this side, we have the bathroom. So that's a bathroom. So just look at it, so clean and neat. They made it very well, sanitized and kept it ready. It's a western toilet with a mirror and a wash basin and a stool, as well as we have hot water available 24/7. but if you switch on the geyser, it'll take at least few minutes, 15 to 20 minutes to heat, and the water is pretty hot. And yeah, it's ventilated as well, so good. So similarly, we have rooms here, then we go up, we have 2 more rooms on the top. We have the power backup UPS available. Bhai, UPS एक building के separate है क्या? हाँ sir, okay, so they have individual UPS like this put on all the buildings, so there won't be power issues here. Whatever is needed, just inform them in prior, plan your itinerary very well, and you go ahead, inform them this is the date you're traveling, what and all is required. Get the food menu over WhatsApp, so that you can decide the food menu as well and keep it readily, so that once you land in the property, you don't need to wait for the food to be cooked. They will keep it everything ready, but do plan your journey time. So if you're going to reach the property in 30 minutes as per Google Map, then inform them before 30 minutes so that they'll start cooking. And if you're hungry, finish your food there. It's a fresh homemade food what they're doing. It'll come very hot, it'll be fresh, so please do have it. Similarly, we have this property getting extended, so I'll quickly show you here as well. So the property is also getting extended. I think maybe in the time when you come after maybe a year, I presume, you will come this way, and you will take a turn here and then come and park the vehicles here. That's the plan itinerary for right now because of the bridge construction. Okay guys, so I hope this video has most of the information shared about this property. If you have any questions, do drop in the comment box below. And also please do visit if you're coming to Kalasa. It's a very beautiful place. Specifically if you're coming from Bangalore, take the Hassan highway guys. It's like wow, it's seriously so beautiful. The roads are so nice. That's one of the reasons why I always pick up Hassan road and come to Kalasa, because the whole route is scenic and it's very like the roads are fantastic. There's no potholes. You can come very comfortably, reach your soon. So do plan your trip here and come and visit Nagagiri Comforts for sure. And yes, the next video will be the Nagagiri coffee shop. We will explore what all is available there, and they do I would say like courier it to any of the location in India, so you can just reach them over a phone, tell them that you're a friend of mine, and they will put a special discount for you, and yes, you will get your coffee on your doorstep. So with this, I'll quickly conclude my video guys. We'll catch up in the next video. Until then, it's a sign off from your Bharat, and you all stay safe. Bye bye.